Hey guys, hey Marcellus with Buckeye Goldens here, coming to you with Mocha. Mocha scored a 2 on the Bullhard test, so she is a fantastic option for a service dog. Very intelligent little girl. One of the tests she did very well with was when I made a loud sound, she walked cautiously towards the sound. So that just demonstrates a good problem-solving abilities and smart little girl, and did really well with the temperament testing. So, yep, 2s are very smart and they learn quickly. They're going to make you a wonderful companion. So this is Mocha, super cute little girl. Hey Mocha, come here. Where you going? You got a leaf? You got a leafy? You silly puppy, yeah. Puppy. Hey Mocha, where you going? Where you going, huh?